Now let's open the Series 10. Boys. I want to get Casper the ghost, the friendly ghost. Casper, the friendly ghost. Oh. I did not get Casper, the friendly ghost.
This is the first time we got this one.
Really?
Yeah, I
What
guess
is
so.
this?
I don't know.
A gun. Did we get this
You read
before?
the flyer, then you know who's this guy.
No. Like this? I'm always forgetting it's right here. No, it's like this. Right, it's right. Now, we can put the clothes under the jacket. It's like this. And then we put the arms. And then the other arm.
And you plug the body with your legs.
Plug the body on the
And make a
leg.
click sound.
It didn't. It
Sometimes
made
it
a
doesn't.
super small sound. I felt it. Now the hair part has a beard, but it has two beards. He has beard. He has two beards. He has facial hair. Yay. And then plug in his hair.
No, he's not a bad guy.
He's not a bad
It's
guy.
okay, they got a spare part for you.
He has two beards. What is this? Let's see.
Read the instructions.
Which one do I got? Oh. It's for the gun part. But I don't know where. Oh, I know now. First, I need the hat. And then put this thing in the back. And then put the gun over him. I broke it. No, I didn't. Just swoop it back carefully and cross it over his head. Casper, the friendly ghost, you never want to play with me. Now, we got him. He's good. Close up. Close up. Done. Now let's play.